Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 4 minus 3 times 2 minus 1. Many people take a wrong approach and accept this challenge and reach a wrong answer. Why? Because they solve it 4 minus 3 as 1 and 2 minus 1 as 1 and 1 times 1 as 1. This is the incorrect answer and incorrect approach. Yes, you heard it right. Because when you have given multiple operations, then you have to follow PEMDAS or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first you have to solve the parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division have same priority, similarly addition and subtraction, but you have to always solve from left to right. People skip this step and reach at wrong answer. So 4 minus 3 multiply 2 minus 1. So there is a subtraction sign in this expression and multiplication sign. So we have to give priority to multiplication. So multiplication is between 3 and 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. So 4 minus 6 minus 1. Now we have only single sign, that is subtraction. So always solve from left to right. 4 minus 6 is minus 2 minus 1. So what is the correct answer? Negative 3 of this expression, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.